Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. It is December 20th and I am going to do a potato reveal today in the pots that I grew outside this summer and into fall. Yeah, it's December, but I brought them in. They should be fine and they're actually still in dirt. So let's see how they done. And I had them in pretty good sized pots here. And bear with me for a little bit until I get these dumped out. See what happens. Here we go, number one. It's two. Don't know how well they done because I only had a few in here. One, their soil is real nice. Got a couple small ones, but oh, that one there's soft. Another one. Not too bad in a pot. Okay, that's about it on that one. There's from one of my pots. Alright, let's do pot number two. I'll show you at the end here too how many I got all together. You see the pots. These pots are pretty old. That one's real brittle. Let's see what we got out of this one. Oh wow. Earthworm. Nice night crawler there. This one may not have done as well. And it's funny because I took care of these. Look at that one. That one's really nice. I watered these probably every day in the pots this summer when it was kind of hot. Some of these I let go. I let them out too long. It might have been part of the issue too. They're getting soft. Now, this one did not do as well. I take that back that I left these outside. We probably had some cold nights, and it looks to me like it wasn't good for them. And then it's been dry though. Looks like mostly small ones on this one. I think I started out, I just had some extra potatoes that that started sprouting in the house here. And I just went ahead and put them in the pots. Now, I think if it was a seed potato that I actually purchased, it might have done a little better, but that's okay. Boy, that one didn't do good at all. But you can see it's not always going to end up positive. Let's see what we got. That wasn't very good, but the other one was. So we did get some. And we also got some that were soft. And that is because I did leave them out. Let it outside too long. I think these are going to be okay. I think they are. I might have threw a few in here. But yeah, it's better than nothing, and I just wanted to try it. They'd probably do better if I would have brought them in. I could have had a lot more. This many here, right there, are bad, soft, just because I let them out too long. So that's okay. I'm okay with it because I did dig a lot of potatoes this year. I had a good crop outside in the garden, and I still were eating on them, and they're really nice. So just thought I'd share that with you, and you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next video.